Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
All right. Good morning. Good morning. Let's get everything pulled up. I'm running a few minutes behind. Just great. This thing's just breaking out already. It's quite rude. Quite rude. All right. 25032 looks like pretty clear draw. That's that wick from yesterday. Jay Styles, Tony, Jan, Mo, Futures Trader, Miss K, how's it going? 46 points. That's 23-point stop. That's $46. Time 4. We could go like 5 micros, I guess. What did we say that is? 23. So that's 92 ticks, something like that. Yeah, we'll go with that. Pretty close. Unfortunately, if this takes out the 25032 before open, then I'm probably not going to take it. Morning, Alexi. Happy Tuesday, Josh. Hit the like button. You missed that break weeks. Yeah, the one morning I don't take it, you know, obviously it's probably going to work. Had a clear draw. I wasn't at the computer, or I might have taken it, but it's unfortunate. It is what it is. 141. I think I looked at that. Okay. Got 10 o'clock news, looks like. 10 a.m. news. $10 a.m. news. Okay. Morning, Deepak. Obviously bullish today. At a minimum until we get to the 25032. Good morning, Donovan. Problem with Mo, it's only 1320 here in the UK. S News? All right. All right, we got about 8 minutes till open here. I don't think it's going to give us a. It's new home sales clarity at, I believe it's new home sales at 10 a.m. But pending home sales. It's not. It's not red folder. But it is pending home sales. Oh goodness. Is this thing moving slow? What's going on? All right, I want to start a new eval to trade because I don't want to trade the MyFunded Futures account from last night because I have I'm already up a couple $100. So good morning, Coper. I might start a new Apex account. Actually, I have an Apex account I can trade, but I'd have to execute it on Trade Evade. That's okay. Yeah, I think that's okay. Thank you, Raul. Good luck to everybody. Oh, the news before open? No, there's no news. This is just kind of a normal move up. We have a clear drawn liquidity up there. That wick from yesterday, previous day high. Going to need some sort of pullback in order to get in here. Hold on one second. All right. What up, buy trades? Taco Tuesday, close above 40, bullish rejection. Here's bearish. Yeah. It kind of sucks because I know that probably gonna just hit this before open, unfortunately. Yep, there you go. Today would have been the play would have been pre-market, obviously, but kind of sucks. So the opening range, I don't even know if I'm even gonna attempt it. The new contract MNQM26 or MH6 or M6. I'm sorry, not H. EQM6. So I really don't know what to do here. I mean, like, do I even attempt this opening range? It's probably a no. Oh, would that be 246? I don't even know. Don't even know. All right. 2, 3 minutes here until open. I guess we'll see. I guess we'll see here. Good morning, Lesifor. I mean, it looks like we're gonna just spike here at open. We're starting some fresh evals today. Let's go. So we'll see what happens here at open. I don't know. Taking it real slow. Yeah, it makes sense, right? Makes sense to take it slow. This thing doesn't pull back. It's going to be annoying. Rip it lower at open. Come on. You know it's just going to run higher. $33. Do I just take a quick scalp up to the 33? If this thing doesn't drop it open, I might just take a risky scalp up to the 33. All right, there we go. Why am I in 7? I'm in too much here, guys. I'm not supposed to be in 7. I'm not supposed to be in 7 micros there. What the hell? All right. Yeah, I had to play that a little different, guys. I realized I was in 7 micros instead of 4 or 5. I don't know what happened there. I was only supposed to be in 4 or 5. So what up, Agene, Angie? So making $250 there. It's not the 400 that I should have made, but XTPS, how's it going? Oh, you took it today? You skipped today and you took it? Let's go. It's pretty, like, when it has a clean draw on liquidity, it almost, I mean, like, it's a really good play, right? So I liked it there. I was just kind of freaked out once I saw I was in 7 micros. So I made 250 there on each of those accounts, on the Bulanox fundeds and the Apex fundeds. So still red on the week, I think. Well, today's Tuesday, so actually that puts us up on the week $50. 6K, let's go. 1500 and above buffer, nice. I knew that was going to work, but it's just unfortunate that I just noticed I was in the wrong size. So kind of sucks, but it is what it is. All right. We did pass a Bulanox account last night on gold. All right. If you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. I'm not really wanting to take trades on this account, so we just went 3R right there off this. I mean, that's a really good play. I don't know, man. I got to stop fumbling these plays. I really do. I don't know how it was in such big size there. I didn't want to take a loss on it and be mad about the size of the loss. All right. Let me get the giveaway started, guys. Take advantage of the My Fun Futures Rapid Sale. I think the Rapids accounts are very, very good at $97. Extremely competitive. Um, extremely competitive. So yeah, I like it. But they did extend the sale, by the way. They did extend it. But yeah, I think it's still $97. They extended it, I believe. I think I saw that. Ah. At the next level up there at 146. So we'll see what happens here. $25 146 is up there. There we go. Squeezing back up here. We still got the gap below, 876 below, but right now we're 200 points above that. So, good morning, later, dude. Oh, we're very close. We're pretty close to the Take Private Trader bonus, guys. The two free 50K accounts. So let's see how close we are. We need nine more cells. 9 more cells. What up, Tris? Oh, come on. Your bullish breakthrough 40? Yeah. Limit long 025. We'll see. We shall see. I don't know if we get back to 025. Exclamation MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. Is this the high of day? Yes. Just kind of chopping around here, but get that one move up there. I did roll contracts, by the way. I accidentally entered long over here on 10 micros instead of 1, so I'm just going with it at this point. Come on! Go! 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 This is an eval, by the way, obviously. Go long or go home. Yeah, kind of slow orb, yeah, but it worked. It worked later. It did work. I probably should have just closed this when it went back green because I did accidentally enter with too much size, but I do think it goes, so that's why I'm just kind of holding it. Let's take half off right here. There we go. I got a goofy trail stop on. All right, down to 1. Why did that make a buy limit right there? $146. Angie, what internet you got? Where you located? I'm Northeast Georgia. Um, and I got pretty shitty internet actually. It's not great. I got one gig down and only 40 up. So not great. What about ICT? You can bet my Maryland house at Nasdaq will move at least 1 point down. TP 214. I'm targeting 146. ES is at a major level here. 68 like '09 area there. '08. See if this thing squeezes up here. Squeeze it up. Morning, Ronnie. How's it going? Am I giving away prop accounts? Yes. Yes, Raul. It's stable. Yeah, it's pretty stable. I mean, it's not. I mean, to be honest, my internet's not that great. I'll show you. I wish I had fiber, balanced fiber. You know, where I'm at, there's just not a balanced option. It's cable internet, so. Yeah, it looks like I'm not even getting a gig down, at least while I'm running a speed test. It starts to buffer. Exclamation MM in the chat. Passing one day? Yes, it is. Apex. So yeah, so it was 345 down and like 33 up. Pretty bad. Yeah, just put exclamation before MM. There you go. Let's get out of this. Let's see if this thing can go here. We're down to a runner. We did enter this with bigger size than we intended, but it ended up working out there. It doesn't always work out. Good morning, Alfred. Hmm. I mean, we could just move the stop back and just hold this because we do know it's going to go to the 146 for the most part at some point. So I don't know if I want to get stopped out. 1 minute left, 5 minutes to the right. Yes. Well, this to the left is 1 minute. Yep. 2 minute to the right. I'm just executing on Ninja today because I'm on an Apex account, so that's why I have this over here. I've already hit my daily target on the My Funded Futures account, so I didn't want to trade it unless I started a new eval, which I haven't done yet. I'm already up $200, so I'll take another trade or two on it on the actual My Funded stream, but not necessarily. I mean, I could take another trade, honestly. Think we have a good draw on liquidity. The orb bang today, awesome zone. So, yeah, roll. I mean, I don't have a whole lot of stuff running though at the same time on my computer. So that does have a little bit of helps it a little bit. Do we want to give this room? I don't know, man. I think we do want to give it room. And give it a little room. Put on the helmets. We're going to my new stop. What? I thought you were long biased, room. What are we talking about? I thought you were long bias. Is there like a 30-second re-entry here, maybe? Nope. Oh, I'm over here on the wrong contract over here, right? Yep. Let me change this contract. I was over there on the wrong contract. Still the same. What'd gold do last night, guys? That's dumping right now, huh? It finally got my level down there at 49.98. Oh man, that was beautiful. Let's see here. Can't even see the time over here on gold. Gold's at a bit of a support level now. Only entering buy if we get to 25. Okay, I got you. You took the short? That's risky. Risky biscuits. Oh, you're saying my stop because I put it at 22. I just threw it at a random spot. It's not where I'll stop out at. I'd probably add down there somewhere. We'd probably add back into it. Good day, Rafi. Good day. Pulled a long one last night? Yeah, for sure. Good morning, Samuel. How's it going? Should I add one back through the high here, guys? Should I go should I go like bigger size for like 10 points back through the high, maybe? $50 EMA. Maybe through the high we add one, we just buy the high. Isn't that always recommended to buy the high? What do you guys think? It's always good to buy the high, I think. That's good etiquette. Buy at the high, sell at the low. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Why not? Why not? What could go wrong? What could go wrong? Exclamation MM in the chat. I do think if we break above the high, we can really go. But I will probably move this down and Buy a break back above the whole number here. We'll buy the 75 here if it pulls back. Medi in the house. All right, we'll see if we get any movement here on the news. Top of the hour, new 4 hour here as well. There we go. It's a good push up. Did not get us on the ad yet. If we get this ad, either if we get the top one added in, we'll obviously cancel the lower one. Ugh, this thing should go here. Should go up. Creating a bull flag up here. Little 3 candle pullback on the 5 minute. Let's just watch it. Really just consolidating here for a move eventually. Consolidation, consolidation. What do you think about gold? Ugh, I don't know. It's kind of just pulling back right there. I mean, it's holding that 17 level for now, so might be a buyer at like 5,007. Oh, we got added in. Where do we get added in at? Mm. There's the first 21 EMA touch on the 2-minute. All right, we're just waiting, guys. We're in the position. We're going to see what happens. I am going to add pretty big back above the whole number here. Same idea. Hold the 21 EMA for now. This would be a long trigger, technically, back above 94. It's a 40-point stop. So maybe I'll go 94. Keith in the house. You guys didn't join us last night. We did hit the daily payout level on Traders Launch. So they should be moving us to a live account. I don't know what I have to do to get that set up. I guess I'll look later today to see. But we did hit that spot. $25.030 1 hour swing level. Looks like we're holding for now. But now, ES holding the 94s there. Just see if it wants to go. Well, it's not wanting to trigger that long, huh? Not wanting to trigger it yet. I think it's going to take off eventually. I just don't know when. It's going to go eventually. Maybe now. Maybe. Get a Red Bull in y'all. Yeah, I can't drink Red Bull. It messes with my brain. It messes with me brain. Hey, what do we got here? New promo for Lucid. Buy any 3 Lucid Pro purchases. Get 1 free Lucid Pro reset. So buy any 3 Pro accounts, get 1 free Pro reset. There you go. On Lucid. Use code MM, of course. Interesting. Why would you need a reset though? You know, you're just going to pass in the first go anyway, right? A very neutral opening. Well, we did push up 100 points, 150, but it is kind of a mild opening. Always use code MM. That's right. Apex is still 85% off on the end of day accounts and 90 on the intraday. Bulanox is 89% off. Use code MYTH on Apex, MYTH. Use code MM on everything else. The pro account, the sale on the My Fun and Futures Rapid account, 20% off was extended. Take Profit Trader, still 40% off, no activation fee. Trade Day, 30% off, no activation fee. Use code MM. Oh, we don't want to use 10. We don't want to use 10. We're only going to use 10 if we're adding to a winner. That's only when we'll use 10. Rumor, you getting tagged in on your 25? Let's see. Yeah, it's kind of losing the 94 there. We just keep adding. Oh yeah, I forgot we do have to be aware of the daily loss limit. Have to be aware of the daily loss limit. Tapping into a 5-minute bullish imbalance here. Not really a clean inversion opportunity here. We're like 50% of the opening range as well. Yep. Could maybe make an ad back above my entry here. Let's see if this 1 hour swing holds. Yeah. Market shaking out stops today. Yeah, for sure. That's what the market likes to do. That's what it likes to do. See if we get a momentum candle back up here or not. All right, added in here on the 4th. Mancini says, ride runner now 66 to 743 remains support. That's what he said. First touch of the 50 EMA there on the 2-minute. Eval pass. Let's go, Coach Fred. Good morning, Rob. You guys want to enter the giveaway exclamation point MM in the chat? Please hit the subscribe button. The like button, if you will. Let's check the likes. 60 likes, 80 viewers. Good job. Good job. Very good. Very, very good. We inverse to the upside, guys. I don't see any reason to participate short. I'm going to be honest with you. But can it pull back to some degree? Yeah, for sure. That's just my opinion. Can you make money on shorts too? Yeah, for sure. I do think ultimately it goes up. I just don't know when or how or any of that. As always, no guessing. Zero guessing, sir. We just keep adding at the levels we got to add at, and then, we'll see what happens. Buy limits. Back to the 25,000 here, big psych level. Nice bounce there. Boom, boom, boom. See if this thing can squeeze up there. We'll take some of the position off up here. 2 at 10. See if it can go. Caught that long. Perfect. Let's go. You're a limit order guy now? Until it misses you. Oh, dang. I hate that it does that. I hate when it like cancels out your order like that. I don't know why it does that. Is it because I have the OCO checked? Maybe? All right, we're just in 2 here. So we're going to look for the run back through the high on this last one. And then obviously look for 146 on the final runner. $146. So actually, we'll front run it a little bit. We'll go 145. How about that? Seems reasonable. Might get stopped here. We'll see. Little, not really, kind of got a little trend line here, to be honest. Got a little trend line. Come on, rip this thing up here. Get going. Get some momentum. Let's get some momentum. I mean, I don't really see a whole lot holding us down here, to be honest. ES gets above 93 here. That's about it. If we can get above 93, we should squeeze. Got to get back above that 15-minute opening range here. What up, Power of Y? Yes, I received your email. Thank you. I did receive your email. I didn't respond, but I got you. We got you. Let's see here. YM in free fall. Yeah. It was a lovely letter. Oh. Come on, rip it up, Nasdaq. Stop playing with my emotion. See profit, take profit. Probably not a bad idea. If ES can just get above 93 here, guys, we get the squeeze going. I mean, that's what we're looking for. ES is weak. I mean, if it can get above 93, we squeeze. That's just what we're waiting on. If it can't, yeah, you're probably right. Lower low, lower high here so far. No SMT, though. Our ES is approaching that 90 level here. 93. Let's see if it can get through 93. I think this next run through 93 should get it. It should go. 91.50, 91.75. Let's see if we can just pop that 93. We get this Hulk Smash boner candle over here. Gaps everywhere. Yeah. Protecting 67.90 node bears. Yeah. If it can get through 93, though, I think we just squeeze. I think we get a nice boner candle right through the 100 over here on the NQ. Just can't get above there right now. Cannot get above there. New 15-minute candle coming up here in 40 seconds. You got out. Gopher. Nice. Nice. Let's see here. Squeeze it. There's the new 15-minute candle. Telling you guys, ES pops 93. This thing's going to the moon. Quickly. It's going to the moon. That's the if, though. If, right? If it does this, then that. If this, then that. Okay? That's how that works. But if that, then this. So you got to think both ways. You think we have the high a day? Zero chance, Lassifer. Zero chance. Zero chance. Nah, I'm just kidding. I don't know. It could be, but I don't think so. It could be, but I don't think so. Could not get back above the 93. Quite rude. Quite rude. Quite rude. Just do it, man. Just do it. Yeah, it does, Samuel. That's why we're being careful. We're on the eval. So, you're waiting for a good setup? Yeah. I don't think high day is in, but could it? I mean, could it be? Yeah, it could be. I mean, we did run buy side. We ran the previous day high, right? That is a thing. And that was almost like a data wick from that NVIDIA stuff that was going on. But I don't believe that it is just because I like it. I like the upside because we inversed on the higher time frame to the upside. So I think we still run 146. But, you know, the market does what it wants to do. We're just here to watch it and partake. They adjusted the 10:30 clock? Yeah, maybe. Longs and shorts are stuck. Yeah. I mean, I don't hate a short here. My just overall bias is bullish. So I'm not taking the short. But obviously, shorts are getting paid too, right? And that's the cool thing about the Nasdaq. I mean, I talk about it all the time. Is like you can make money both directions. I can have short bias, long. You can have long bias. We both can make money. We both can make that money. I mean, ES, that line in the sand on ES is 93. It's so obvious. It's just holding, holding, holding. But if it can get through the 93, it can rippage. It's just a matter of if and when. There we go. It's testing 93 directly now. Let's see if we get this Hulk Smash Boner candle. There it is. It's pushing. Boner candle inbound, potentially. Question is now, is through it, is it going to hold it? That's the question. Is this just going to be a little grab to send it lower, or is it going to hold it and continue higher? We really don't know. Can it hold it and squeeze it? I think it can. It's like that book you used to read with the choo-choo train. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. Or something like that. Now, if the ES kind of sells back below the 93 here, unless it's just a little trap, we should squeeze. But if it could sell hard here if it gets back below 93. If this is just a little grab, but I don't think that's what it is. But it's a gamble. It's a gamble, guys. It's a guess. You know what I'm going to do, though? I'm going to take one off. And I'm going to be down to one here. I think that makes sense. And we're going to go break even to protect ourselves. It could. It could, Lassifer, for sure. It definitely could. Yes, back to the 94. It's having a trouble getting through that level even after closing above. Good morning, P Long. We've locked in $500 on this account, so going to either make 500. We're also up 80 points here almost. So ES is back below the 93. Not a good look for the longs, but let's see. Scrap. 15 minutes of Rami playing out. Yeah, it could be. Wanna make records, but still don't know quite what way it's. I mean, like I said, my lean's up. I could be wrong. You just don't know. First day on the new contracts here, it could just shit the bed. Who knows? Your idea played out? Yes, sir. It did. Not a good sign for the Bulls. You gonna try your trade again, Room? Guys, exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. Like, subscribe, all the things. Gots to get up. Good thing is we do have a good average on this trade. So we got room if it wants to hold up. We got room. Oh, you missed it. Dang it. You all now, Room? Nice, me too. You don't like it. As long as you're sized right, I think you're all right. Right? As long as you're sized right, you're good to go.
But you at my door, willing to confess that it's the best.
Oh, what was that? Blackout News trapping everyone. Yeah, it's trying. It's trying. Maxie's over there asleep. He got medicated this morning, so he's knocked out. You guys know he isn't feeling good when you don't hear any barks out of him at all. Think about how much you've heard him bark in the last 3 days. None. He's just chilling. We're waiting, guys. Yes, retesting the 93 again. Kind of the line in the sand there. I do think this next push above the high here, above 97, maybe we get the boner candle now. Listen, the nice thing is I don't really even have to guess. We have a great entry. If we get stopped, so what? We've locked in profit. So at the end of the day, we're sitting nice. They create FOMO with the green candles to trap longs, and now we need a confirmation of the lower high. Yeah, I would start with like an SMT. Maybe Nasdaq runs the high and ES does not. Something along those lines. I mean, you could use this swing here too. Right? Maybe Nasdaq runs that swing or ES does and the other doesn't. ES is at that high now. Looks like they're both going to run it though. I expect to see expansion here. I don't expect this to F around right here. I think this should start to expand. 120 pretty quickly, above 90. If it F's around here, just makes just a little sweep of the high, then that's not a great sign. You really want to see expansion above this high. So there's the run of the high. If it just wicks it, that's not a great sign, which is what it's doing so far. You really wanted to see it not F about. Just get up there and go. Especially above that 100. The shot into that 120, into that 144 target should go quickly here, especially with a new 15-minute candle and 5 minutes outside the macro. This thing should start to run if we are truly bullish. If we're truly going to the 144, like I think 146, this thing should start to run here. But we'll see. It was down 300, now up $5. Let's go. Green is green. And so you really want to see a bullish expansion above that. We haven't gotten it so far. I mean, there's really nothing here keeping us from making a high if we are truly bullish, in my opinion. I mean, we're above 93 on the ES. You know? Do I take it at the high? Or did we target the 146? I don't know. That's really the only question. If we take it at the high, I mean, that's still a 115-point trade. Right? Extended above the third air on the 15-minute. A sonic boom from a meteor explosion over Cleveland. What? You're in Cleveland? Blackout? Jason, Crystal son, stepson, basically. He loves all Cleveland sports. His dad was from Cleveland. Oh, the ATR. Okay, I was about to say, what? I didn't know what air meant. It's all over the news now. That's crazy. Yeah, Cleveland wasn't bad. I've been there a couple of times. We went to the Ohio State-Texas game last year, football. And we've been to several Cleveland Guardian games. I'm sure we'll be back next year again, probably. It's not my favorite place to go, but it's about what the kids want to do. That's how life is, right? It's all about your kids. We did an escape room up there. It was pretty fun. One of the funnest escape rooms that we've done. Was pretty entertaining. Pretty entertaining. It was difficult. It was just us four boys. Me, Jason, Jackson, and Caleb. Jason's 16, Caleb 17, Jackson's 14. And we barely beat that. So, your brother-in-law plays for the Guardians. I bet Jason probably knows who he is at a minimum. He knows that team up and down, backwards, forwards. We just not get any expansion up here. Like, I expected it to kind of expand, but it might be waiting for the little macro here. J.D. Rockefeller. Don King. Come on. You can do it. All right, guys, 1 minute from the macro. I could probably trail my stop up to like 31 area, 32. But you chicken out? You took 56 bucks? Yeah. Now it's going to go. What up, Timbo? Timbo, we got just the music for you today. Just the music. No top wicks at the daily high. No, Timbo, no. It's pretty good music today.
That's a possibility.
Trying to take
You can hear Husk.
I'm hoping after Wednesday.
Let's mute Husk.
possibly sitting on a drop down.
Yeah. Soul Survivor. Killing you slowly. Oh, goodness. What do you think, Timbo? Are we going to 146 or what? Guys, we're going to do the giveaway in about 10, 12 minutes. Just after 11. Timbo guarantee. I'm just sitting here waiting, guys. I mean, not much to do. I'm already in the trade, right? Not much to talk about at this point. We think we're going up. Definitely ranging.
No nuts, no glory. My biography, damn right, the true story.
We just got to get some good songs, some good music, and just listen to it until it moves up. Oh, Tim said, I'm out. I don't even play it until you get here, Tim. All right, guys, we got 5 minutes to the top of the hour. Let's see if that brings us something. So far, it doesn't seem to be bringing us anything. It's not bringing anything. It's stalled. What's up, Trading Star? Gangsta. Nah. I do jam out, though, in the car. And I sing every word. Embarrass everybody. Embarrass everybody. I don't care. Or just embarrass myself. One or the other, right? I could theoretically trail my stop up to like 25,049. I could. Can I sing a song? I can't. You don't smoke weed, but you feel you need to, and you hear that nonsense? Yeah. It's not for everybody. Oh, man, this thing is putting us through it, guys. It's just not going. Just not going. I mean, I do think if we break above the 100s, maybe then we can get the expansion, but so far that 90 level just keeps knocking us down. Embarrassing your kids in front of their peers? Exactly. It's my lifetime goal. That's why when your kids are like riding around on their toys butt naked and stuff, like Maverick loves to run around the house naked. We snap pictures of them. Of course, you know, leaving out the pertinent areas. But all right, back up to the 86s. Man, this thing is really just chopping here. It's really not wanting to do anything, huh? It's crazy that we're at war and this is the price action. Yeah. NQ is in a channel. Should break out one way or the other. Yeah. It's waiting for Trump to speak. When does he speak? One long, one short. Yeah, Lito, that was my average in spot. I average in from higher. To the right. Yeah, that's the guarantee. That's the guarantee. It's going to go to the right. For sure. VWAP below or 216 above. I like 146 at a minimum above, but I do ask myself, does it have to hit it? And the answer is no. So it really didn't have to. This is kind of what I'm looking at, in case you guys are wondering. So on the hourly, you can see we've closed above everything. Like, there's a little gap here. Even that gap we closed above. Closed above everything on the hourly. So this is your hourly buy side at 146. This is why I believe this is where we're going. Now, could we leave an imbalance down here and retrace to here first? I mean, before going up there. Yeah, we could, right? Could we do that? Could we go? Yeah, for sure. We could do that. All the way back down to the 926s. But being so close to buy side there. And this is a gap sitting inside an hourly, which is a really, really good draw on liquidity. You may end up getting this here, right? Exactly what we had here, where we sweep this wick, and then you get a protected high here. And then we push back down. So I don't know. We'll see. But that's the reason I think we're going to 146 at least at a minimum. But again, nothing's an exact science. Could be wrong. But that's my thought process, and that's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at. Take the green. Nah, we're going to hold it for glory. Looky out below, folks. Ponzi. It could be like up 1,000 points. Ponzi be like, looky out below. Looky out below. You changed your mind to the whole number? At least to the whole number. You could 100% be 100% correct. Oh, 150. Oh, okay. There you go. I like that. Harry Savin. Savin. Did I say it right? Harry Savin. Did I get the nutty Savin? Harry Savin. Is Trump talking now? I can't tell if he's talking or not. Solo in the house. Savin and Livin. Savin come alivin. Oh. Oh. Go pound sand? Yeah, yeah. You've been broke even 4 times in a row after being up 5 points? Yeah. He's going to replace the dollar with shit coins. Let's go, Coach Fred. Daily payout? Awesome. Congrats, man. I'm waiting to get my daily account from, I don't know what I need to do. Do I need to do anything? Wonder if I need to do anything on Trader's Lunch to get the, What up, Sean? Wonder if I got to do anything on Trader's Lunch for the live account. I don't know. Do I do anything? I don't know. I don't think so. The version of Blue Ball's trading session? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Send me a free trader's lunch. Let's go, Timbo. $85 away. That's amazing. I think I am from a daily payout again. We're like 450 away. Yeah. And now from Bulenox payout, I'm back to we need 600 more dollars. Or wait, hold on, 765 more dollars. By the way, guys, the Lucid accounts did go bye-bye overnight. I took a gold trade with a mini on those. The trade actually worked, but I only had 4 points of drawdown, and it went 6.9, and then it went. So the trade worked. Unfortunately, if I had taken the back door, it would have worked, but yeah, it is what it is. So we're going to have to rebuild those. Wall Street decided to say F it and went straight to St. Patty's Day, drunk fest and breakfast. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to have to start over with Lucid. Got to start over. Changed your ATR and auto break even and took a win. Let's go. Slayed 3 more evals today as well. Nice, Timbo. Yeah, I passed an eval overnight too. We passed an eval. Good thing you took your 56 bucks. You don't think it's going up? Probably going up eventually. Eventually. All right, guys, you got 4 minutes to enter the giveaway. 4 minutes, exclamation point MM in the chat. Hit the like button, subscribe. You can enter on the alt account if you want to. I don't mind. Hey, I'm a friendly guy. What can I say? I'm a friendly guy. By the way, we are giving away an Apex account today, just so you know. It is an Apex account. So if you can't have Apex in your country, please don't ask me for anything else. Thank you. Come again. Tis an Apex account. I got you, Solo. I got you. No launch account instead? I don't have a launch account right now. I only got like 3 crypto accounts left to give away on Trader's Launch. Oh, if they can't have it? Oh. So Nasdaq pulled back to the 5-minute 21 and the 2-minute 50 here. Bounced off this level once already. You finally won after 2 years the crypto account. Listen, Jamie, I mean, what do you want me to do, man? What do you want me to do? I can't do anything. Any Amish funded family accounts? Let me message Nutty Bar and ask him if he started his prop firm yet. nuttybartrading.com. Earl's pushing up. Good old Earl. Yeah, it's trying to bounce. All right, we might get stopped, guys. We'll see. We might get stopped. I don't know. No, there's no activation fee visible. Man, ES just unable to hold that 93. Looks like we might get stopped. We already locked in 500 bucks, so order sent by pigeon. You flip the pigeons, send them on their way. Sean is buying long 3 contracts. Get me out now. Hard to get affiliate code. Yeah, Raul, they're not really giving affiliate codes out at the moment. Pretty much. If you don't have one already, you're probably not going to get one. Do I just take my $50 and run here? I don't know. I feel like I'm going to get stopped out. I feel like it. Apex has said that they reduced their affiliates by 96%. That was the figure that they gave us. So, that's what they said. I'm not sure. I believe that's the number I read. Yes, Sovereignty. I just sent the email last night, so they're a little slower on this side of things when I send it through email. Typically, they'll credit them all, like it'll take like a day or two, and then they'll credit it to you. So, but they haven't responded to me yet. I did send the email yesterday. Other than Bulox, is there any other prop firms that's open to affiliates? Day traders. Let me look. Day traders, probably Lucid, I guess, if they're still doing it. Trade day. I mean, you could probably go with some of the other ones, I guess, like maybe like Funded Next. I don't know if they still got it, or maybe like Futures Desk or some of those other ones. I'm not sure. Not sure. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, we didn't do the giveaway yet, guys. Why y'all didn't remind me? We were just chilling. I forgot all about the giveaway. All right, we only got 85 people watching, and we got 193 people in the giveaway. Shotgun, yes or no? There's the poll. I mean, we're definitely only got 85 people in here, so we'd probably get that 194 number down to like 120, probably. So you'd have a better chance of getting in there. So let's get at least 70. Let's get at least 70 votes here. Right now it's 70-30. A beer and a shot this early, why not? NQ's at a trend line. Yeah, it does look that way, right? Holding the trend line for now. 68% yes, 31% no, 32% no. Huh. I don't know, guys. That's like 2/3 yes, 1/3 no. Does that mean we just pull it? Do we just pull it? Basically, everybody voted 69% yes, 31% no. All right, well, the yes still won, so let's just do the shotgun. 2 minutes. We're going to do it real quick here. 2 minutes, guys. Two minutes to get in and go. Exclamation point MM in the chat. One more time. Went long again, room. Let's go. Two minutes. Exclamation point MM in the chat. One minute, 15 seconds. And guys, if it doesn't give you a notification that you're in, you're probably in. It just does that sometimes when it's moving so quick. $40 seconds, guys. $25 seconds, guys. Ten, nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the winner is trading for stop loss. He's trading so that his stop loss can be hit. Trading for stop loss, send me an email at methodicalman@gmail.com. I need you to highlight, show me that you're logged into your YouTube channel. I actually think you've won before. So if you can use the same email, that'd be good. I'll get you the code over. I'll get you the code over. Oh shit, I missed the entry over here. Let me see. I missed the entry over here. It's below where the entry would have been. Do I take it or not? I'm gonna take it on 5 here. Come on. Rip it through there. Just looking for a very small kind of winner here. It said womp, womp, womp. There we go. Holy cow. I'm just going to stop myself out. I don't like that reaction. I don't like that reaction. You are not here. Uh-oh. Oh, he's here. That's a scary username. Yeah. All right, guys. I'm going to be over on My Funded TV in 10 minutes. If you guys want to join us over there, that'd be quite nice. I'd appreciate you guys. I'll be over there in about 10 minutes. So we'll see you guys over there. I do appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you over there on My Funded TV.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.